So Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes with Qualcomm greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. It may not be regular chip but overlooked variant seen on the Galaxy S23 series. Z Flip 5 comes with 6.7 inches foldable dynamic AMOLED 2x Full HD plus 120 Hz display screen. This is almost same as the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Unlike the Motorola Razr 14 Ultra 6.9 inches screen, the external display is 3.4 inches, slightly smaller than the 3.6 inches cover display on the Motorola Razr 14. The camera department 12 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a 12 megapixel selfie camera on the front. The megapixel phone is the same as the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but the sensor will be larger and improvement. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 will also have a larger 3700 mAh battery and a support 25 watt fast charging. The phone will run on Android 13 with Samsung One UI 5.1 on top. It also supports IPX8 technology with armor aluminum frame with traffic drop and a scratch resistant technology. Also support Kone Gorilla Glass Victor Plus. The Hing is another major improvement on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It is what allows a foldable phone to fold, and the current Samsung Flip phones have a deep crease in the center due to the Hing mechanism. Really, you may stop noticing the crease after using the phone for some time. The experience will be much better without it. Samsung apparently agrees as they are the Hing to reduce eliminate the crease on the display. Latest foldable with the teardrop Hing, smaller to Google Pixel Fold and Oppo Find N2. This new Hing minimizes the display crease and lets the phone fold flat without a gap.